Hello, everybody. Very sorry for the wait today. I was on track to start stream right away, and the worst ever thing happened. I had went to McDonald's today. I got some fries. So I had a pack of hot mustard sauce in my pocket, and it was in the same pocket as my wallet. What happened was that I accidentally bumped against a wall, and then it just exploded mustard all over inside of my wallet. So everything is coated in mustard. All my cards, all my money, it's all mustard. So I had to spend some time to clean up a little bit before everything, I don't know, it formed a mustard crust. So, yeah, it's catastrophic. It really sucks. My wallet's all wet now. Hopefully it's not gonna shrink or something. Yeah, crustard. I don't want any crustard around. So yeah, sorry for the wait. It was like 3 o'clock and I'm like, okay, I'm ready. And then it all went downhill. It all collapsed. It all exploded. So yeah, my apologies. This wasn't mustard gas, that's true. That would have been a bigger issue. But it's okay. We're fine now. So yeah, sorry for the wait. But yeah, what's up everybody? Got the whole squad. Oshik, Cosmo, Dublato, Saiku, Ace, what's up? MBG. Mars, what's going on? How's everyone doing? I'm not doing too good after the mustard incident, but fine now. I've waited far too long. Yeah. Welcome back. Hungry? I just had a chicken sandwich. That was pretty good. Yeah. Jane Paradise, not sure he's very nice. Someone's, yeah. Something you had about 3 months ago? Oh, your ears? Is it like an ear infection kind of thing or something like that? I don't know. Fine, I'm doing... Oh, here we're playing RPG. Oh, it's your birthday today? Well, happy birthday, Cosmo. Let's do, the birthday confetti. There we go. Yeah, well, happy birthday. Hope you have a good birthday. Yeah, the bitrate dies as soon as I turn on the confetti. So, I won't, I'll probably turn it off now. But yeah. Man. When stuff like that happens, like stuff gets coated in sauce, it's just the worst thing that could happen to a human being. You know? God. It's the same pain of like having a big massive plate of scrumptious spaghetti and then just dropping it all over your keyboard. It's just like, no. It's so tragic. Oh shoot, I don't have the overlay open, I guess. Oh, it is open. I think it probably timed out. Let me redo it. It's okay. Wait for it to open. Is it open? It's opening. Hold on. Oh, God. Okay. Let's redo that. There we go. Tire string cheese time? Oh my God. That would be terrible. It's okay, you're not scammed. I redid it for you. Never gonna put mustard in my pocket again. Hey, what's up, Adagon? Oh, got cheese time again. Let's go. It's bouncing on nothing? Oh yeah, usually it bounces on my camera. See, if we're in streaming mode, then it bounces on me. See. It says usually we don't have cheese time before we start stream. No, it doesn't stack yet. I need to make it do that. So, we'll do that. Heads or tails? I'll go tails today. But yeah, I would like to work on overlay stuff soon. There we go. Now that we, it's tails, let's go! That's freaking epic, dude. We gotta fix this dumb multiplayer issue. So guys, I have another computer here with me today. It's my laptop. We're gonna try and get this Steam business working. People have been having issues with multiplayer through Steam, and it's been a big problem. I've really struggled trying to. Oh no, I really struggled trying to figure this one out. But I'm certainly gonna try. You're in the process of reading a book called The Ego Tunnel: The Science of the Mind and the Myth of the Self. Thomas Metzinger. So our perception of reality has been completely shifted more than usual. Oh yeah. I'll have to read that too. Let me take a look at that. I don't really do a lot of reading, but you know, I like an occasional audiobook every once in a while. I just don't have time to read. Usually when I'm listening to audiobooks. Oh my god. It's just gonna be constant cheese time. Oh no. Careful guys, I don't wanna have to you know, pull the plug. Oh my god. Mind yearns for the cheese. Yeah. I'll let it play out. I'll let it play out. Thank god it doesn't stack though. It's never gonna stop. It's just infinite cheese. Oh my god. Well, that's fine. That's fine. We can still do stuff. Luckily, it doesn't ruin everything now with the cheese time. My god, again. You guys are wasting all your points. Can fund 80 cheese times? No. Don't do it. Oh no. Guys, don't force my hand. I'm gonna have to do it. I'm gonna have to set a delay. I hate to do it. I hate to do it, but there's so many. There's so many. Hey, Musky Dev over on YouTube. What's up? Oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna have to. Don't make me do it. Don't make me do it.
Cheese. No, please don't put any delay.
Oh no, it's just constant cheese time. Oh god. Guys. I'm giving you too much power to do for cheese time. Yeah, I might have to time it out. Yeah, let's give a 2-minute delay. I need a minute. Oh my god.
As the ex-president of the United States of America, I urge you to not put a delay on cheese time.
I'm sorry, guys. You've done this. You did it to yourself. I'm sorry. Fine. No cooldown, but man, it's okay. No cooldown. I don't want you guys to be sad. I do restream. So basically, what we do is we stream on YouTube and Twitch at the same time. So yeah, but I can read both chats, so you know. Yeah, today is cheese day, huh? Cheese day. Sounds like Tuesday, you know. Cheesy Mo when? Yeah, we could do that. Do that anytime. We could do that today if you guys want. Sad for YouTube guys, you can't play cheese time. Yeah, that's one of the benefits of watching on Twitch, I guess. But then you also get ads, so pros and cons. Oh my god, it's never gonna end, is it? Hop on Twitch, not be able to. It's up to you. You're totally welcome to be on YouTube. So doesn't matter to me. That's why I do both. Honestly, I use YouTube more as just an archive for the streams. That's the honest truth. So, oh my god. Thank you for the bits, Psycho, for the on-screen celebration. I couldn't see it through all the cheese, but yeah. Cheese and Wise Tree, yeah. We'll have to do a little cheese emote. We could do a 3D one just rotating in space. It'd be pretty easy. Cheese goes down and the tree goes up, yeah. Oh my god. My stream preview on Twitch is broken. Let me reload it. Yeah, we could do falling cheese emote. Alright. Now I can actually see Twitch. Why cheese? Yeah, I guess why not? I don't know. Oh my god. Just constant. It's just constant cheese. Well, I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm supposed to today. So yeah, Steam stuff. I'm actually gonna export the game right now, I think. Because I need to fix this bug. It hasn't been happening all of a sudden, so maybe I did accidentally fix something somehow, I don't know. Oh, we got hydrate? Okay. Almost didn't see it in the ocean of cheese. Thank you, joining Cheese Time. Yeah, what's up, Tater Jack? You definitely did. This happens every so often. People get on their cheese kick, and then it's constant cheese. But it's fine. That's what it's there for, I guess. So, all right, let's give this another try. We've got the DLLs and stuff. They should be fine. I'm just gonna export all, and we're gonna hope that this works. Now I have our little handy Python script, so hopefully it should be easy. I'm sure it should be a big splash sound effect. I need to do that, yeah. I will definitely work on that. I need to spend a day just kind of working on overlay stuff. But yeah. Yeah, you can get the cheese stuff with the channel points, so... Sadly, I had to touch a receipt today. Why is that a bad thing? Because the germs or something? Or like what? Oh man, I forgot the uploading process is going to kill everything. Alright, so we have our stuff. Now watch this, guys. Ready? We're going to do zip create. Okay. And we're gonna run it. Okay. What version is this? This is 0.10.0 dash experimental. Oh my god. Actually, what do I name these? What did I name it before? I actually can't remember. I think it was just something like that. It was like Starground EX. Yeah. So 0.0.0-EX1. Just like that. Files not exported from Godot? That's not true. Great. Script is broken. Let's figure that out. I think it might just be because of where we're running it from or something. I hope. It's never gonna end. Golden Finch, what's up? Love Starground. I appreciate it. Today it's cheese ground, but yeah. Why did that not work, I wonder? I'm gonna run it in here. Do I have to run it from command prompt? I mean, it's not a terrible thing if I do, but... doesn't work. But yeah, sorry, let me read everything else in here. Receipts are bad for you, a lot of BPA on them? Really? Well, I touched like multiple receipts today. I've actually considered making my own game when I'm done with all the stressful school stuff. Bit of a passion project I've been longing to do for some time. Should have all the money and resources to create it, so why not give it a try when I have time for it? Yeah, absolutely. I would be. I would love to see.
I'm Cheese
What
Time,
games
said
idea
John
you have
Cheese
cooking
Time
up?
after he Cheese Time me.
I can't believe John Cheese Time did that. That's crazy. Yeah, definitely do it though. I mean, it's fun. I enjoy it. It's not for everybody, but you gotta try it at least once to know, right? Yeah, the full Cheese Time lore. It did evolve over time, didn't it? For the multiplayer I use, it's Godot Steam. So it kind of uses the base game RPCs and multiplayer system for Godot. But yeah, it's through Godot Steam, the multiplayer build of the engine, so cry every night remembering the old slideshow for Cheese Time. Yeah, it's gone. I'm sorry. I'm start when I'm done with my SOP, which is gonna be a few weeks, but definitely gonna share the progress. Yeah, do it up. We've got a project showcase channel in the Discord, so you can put it all there. Yeah, I don't know why my zip create thing isn't working. It's probably because it does it through... Honestly, I think we can just change this script to be absolute paths so we don't have to worry about it anymore. So let's just do that. Let's go back into PyCharm and fix it. Need to build a server for multiplayer communication. There's not a lot of research talking about doing that. Just like through Godot, or specifically with Starground, or... I presume you just mean Godot, yeah. Alright, so let's just copy this full path, this full address. For Godot, yeah. Yeah, unfortunately, there's not really a whole lot of info on server stuff and multiplayer stuff, which kind of sucks. It's, I think, one of the reasons why it was so difficult for, what is this? Dash game? That's what the file path is? Okay. Okay, well, we got this file path now. Hopefully that'll fix our issues. Just use the absolute file paths. But, oh god, these file paths are going to be enormous, though. Let's see. So that's the full file path. That's the full file path. We need to do it here also. So that's going to go from zipper right. So it's going to go from that to that. Yeah. Same with here. I think. But that's... Wait a minute. How does this work? Server right. Let me make sure. So self is where it's saving to, or where it's grabbing the file, I believe. Yeah, I think that's how that works. And then I'm just writing it into the file. Okay, we're gonna try that. Hopefully that fixes our issues by just using the absolute paths. So let's do that. Zip create. We're gonna copy it. We're gonna put it in again. Delete the old one that I don't like anymore. And let's try this. Just see what this does. So game version 0.10.0.0-ex1. I believe it crashed. Let's open up command prompt and do it that way. Okay, so we're just gonna run this. Copy as path. What is it? Just Python. Okay. 0.10.0.0-ex1. Well, now it worked. But where are the files? Because they're not here. I don't know where it went. I think it just went to my C drive. Okay. Oh, I guess this is where it goes. So we have to add the file path to this. I believe. So let's just put it inside of build. So it just kind of went to my C drive, I think, is what happened, which is obviously not good. So let's change that. Yeah, I guess it's just always better to do absolute paths with this kind of thing. So let's try this again. Delete the old zip create. Paste in our new one. Let's go build our stuff again. Project, export, export all. Okay. Okay, let me read through chat. Yeah, there's a bunch of things. Use Twitch chat because the Windows update prompt keeps popping up. Oh, yeah. Is your newest update on the Starground demo? No, the demo's actually pretty out of date. One day I'll update the demo, but yeah, this is all just going to be on the full version. The hot dog addiction is coming back? Oh, yeah. Do I code in my day job? So I don't have a day job. Oh god, here we go again. Cheese time. My day job is working on Starground for now, since it's making a little bit of money. So that's what I do. But yeah, if I had a day job, I would probably be a programmer. So yeah. Let's see if this works. Okay, we're good. Yeah, I guess it just needed, we needed to change it to absolute paths because I think it was causing issues because I don't know where this actually opens when we run Python, right? So who knows? Okay, so hopefully that's good now. But yeah. So we can go upload this version. It's going to kill the stream. But, you know, we'll just actually update Windows only. Yeah, Starground is out, so it's in early access right now. It's not fully released. But I presume we'll probably do full release sometime next year. There's just a couple more major updates that I kind of want to get done before then. So that's the plan, at least. You know, plans don't always follow through exactly how you expect them to, so we'll see. But yeah, hopefully it goes how we want. Buy right now? Yeah, you're totally welcome to. I'd appreciate it. Yeah, just keep in mind it's just early access right now, so still in development. But yeah, it's playable. Although I guess the multiplayer doesn't work right now, so working on it. Sex update has to be the release update. We're actually thinking about doing that for Valentine's Day. So, yeah. We'll see. Wasn't the plan to release before winter sale? I don't think so. Well, the plan is to do a major update before winter sale. Oh no. But yeah. Yeah, I said it. It's official, guys. You'll see. More info on that soon. Okay, I'm gonna upload the Windows build. This is gonna probably die, so, you know, sorry. Come on, stream. Hold on. It'll be okay, guys. It won't take long, I hope. Stream is still okay. Bitrate still good. Maybe we'll pull it off. Nope, there it goes. Okay, stream is dying. We will return. It's okay. Just wait. Every once in a while, there might be something that squeaks through. So if you're listening to me, hello. Just gonna wait until the file is uploaded before I do anything, read chat and stuff. Come on, stream. Let's get going. We're almost there. 3/4 of the way. Whoa, why does that just show stars? What? Oh, that's weird. Yeah, what's going on? There, it's going, and... Okay. Upload is done. Stream should be coming back now. Are we good? We good, everybody? Okay, very sorry for the death of the stream. But it's hard. I have to upload these updates, you know, on stream, or I don't have to, but yeah. Yeah, what happened with the bot? Did it just get censored? I don't know why that happened. I might just disable the Ko-fi bot, honestly. I tried to figure it out at one point in time, but I don't know how. Oh, it never died for you? Okay. Yeah, it dies for some people. I don't know. It's just random. So Goldfinch, about Starground. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for that. I hope you enjoy it. And let me know if you ever run into issues or have suggestions on stuff. I'm always listening for stuff like that. Alright, so we got this. Let's go ahead and push this for the experimental branch. So this is technically going to be the first experimental branch. I'm probably going to change it. But, you know, yeah. Okay, it's been pushed. So if you guys want to mess around with the new planet, you're welcome to in the experimental branch. It's not really ready yet, so I wouldn't recommend it because you'll probably get stuck on the other planet if you don't bring stuff for a star launcher. So yeah, it does it just because it uses like all of my internet to upload. Is there like a way to limit uploads on Chrome? I don't know. If there is, I'd love to figure it out. Okay, so I'm gonna swap over to the experimental branch. Actually, there's no actual star in Starground. Well, there is a star in Starground in the solar system. That Ko-fi was like coffee. It might be pronounced coffee. I don't know. The dash makes me think it's pronounced like Ko-fi, you know. But Starground's like Factorio with an RPG side. Essentially, yeah. It's it has automation stuff, so you build a factory and grab resources and all that business, and then you can fight enemies in the dungeons. So I would describe it as sort of a mashup of like The Binding of Isaac and Factorio, I guess. So yeah, hopefully this should be updated on the newest build now. And let's, I'm also gonna get to it on my laptop as well. So we're gonna try and see if this works on with the multiplayer. I don't know if this will. It's so weird because sometimes it works totally fine, and then other times it just doesn't. So I don't know what the deal is with this. Okay, it still shows V9 EX5, so it's probably just gonna take some time to update. So yeah, let's just wait. Let me go double check the build and make sure that it's, you know, set up. Yeah, experimental is on this one. So that's the one on. Yeah, we should be okay. Let's just wait for the update to come through. Sometimes it just takes a second. I can check it on my laptop and see. Someday we may have competition. Oh yeah. Combine Factorio and Command and Conquer Generals, but that's a long time down the road. Yeah, I encourage you to do it. I'd love to see something like that. That'd be cool. So Bear Like Lion, what's up? Yeah, I can verify file. That's actually a really good point. I should do that, and that'll probably update it. There we go. Yeah. Okay. So hopefully we can connect on multiplayer and that's all working now. I don't know. We'll see. If it is working, we're gonna re-export this and without the new planet stuff, and yeah. Factorio has a Starground like, yeah. Yeah, I do have Cosmeteer. I actually really like Cosmeteer. It's pretty fun. I've enjoyed that game. I really like how they do the tooltip system. I'm actually thinking about maybe kind of stealing that a little bit because I think it's a good way of doing it. Okay, so I'm gonna invite myself. Got 2 keyboards here, and hopefully everything connects and it's not broken. I don't know. I'm really tired of this bug, man. Okay. Looks okay. I don't know why the animation is so slow over here. Right? That is a little odd, but I mean, that's something we could probably fix. Now let's check like inventory stuff. I know that was like the problem that people were running into and stuff with this mostly. Why is everything so slow on the laptop? It's weird. Like the mining? I guess it's not slow. I think it's just me being crazy. Okay. Let's just make sure the inventories aren't linked and stuff, because that was the thing people were saying. Well, I mean, it looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and let people know that this new update is up on the experimental branch. And hopefully that, you know, works. Some fixes to the mental branch of the game. Let's to give it a try and report back. You much appreciated. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't really know what I changed to make it work all of a sudden. Also, yeah, we got ads going on. Ace warned us. I apologize. I should have listened. So we gotta wait. Hate the ads. But if you subscribe with Twitch Prime, you don't have to watch those pesky ads anymore. That is really weird that the, Oh, what? It's like the player got disconnected. That's weird. It shows one player over here. I think they did get disconnected. What happened? Let me go look at the logs really quick here, because that's kind of weird. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Let's see. Give me one sec here. Tool action secondary doesn't exist. And action screenshot doesn't exist. Am I in the wrong version of the game? It's weird. I'm not. Let me make sure that these keybinds exist and stuff, because that's weird that it says that they're not there. I don't know why I would say that. Screenshots right there, then it was saying secondary? I have no idea why that would not exist. That doesn't make any sense to me. Sorry, let me bring you back to real world. Okay, ads are over. Sorry, everybody, about that. So I connected, and yeah, it seems to be working. There are these issues, though, and I don't know why these would be here. It's just saying that certain actions here don't exist, but they do, so... I don't know what's going on with that, but... Yeah, if anyone wants to give it a try, though, we can see what's going on. Yeah, this has been just an extremely frustrating bug, honestly. Trying to get this working. The only other thing I could think of is completely reinstalling Godot Steam and stuff and resetting it up. Because I just don't know what else we could do to fix this, if I'm being honest. I don't know. It's extremely frustrating. Multiplayer pure. Because the latest one that they have up, which is this one right here. This is August. This is the one I have installed right now. So I just don't know why it doesn't seem to work. Or why we're having issues with this, right? Because it was totally fine for a long time. Unless it's just something I'm doing in-game to cause it. But I don't know what I would have changed, you know? That's the other thing that I'm just, like, kind of confused about. So, man, I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, there's this. This is the Windows 64 build. Can open it and just double check everything. I mean, we can update the Steam API, but it's not gonna do anything for us, you know. I could go download the new Steam API directly from Steam's website. There is a new SDK out. That came out November 8th, so that might actually be the reason why things stopped working. But I don't know. Well, hold on. Let me get in there. I don't know what's going to show up here, so... So yeah, I mean, we could install that, but I don't think it's going to fix our issue, unfortunately. Yeah, the bug is just, and it's basically just an issue with running multiplayer through Steam. I don't know why it happens, but it does, so... So... This is a whole thing, though. This isn't just a DLL, you know, this is like a million things. So I don't know if this is really what we want. I can't really update it then. You know. Well, there's that one, Steam API.dll. But I presume that's not the one we want. I don't know. I mean, we could replace the DLLs and see if that does anything. You know, like we could with the new updated one. I just don't want any more issues to happen, though. Oh, it's really annoying. I've asked him on Discord. I've not. I could do that. I'm sort of at a point where I think that might be the best option. It's just I don't know. I need to, if I'm gonna ask a question like that, I need to have like logs that I can show of like what the problem is, you know? So let me see if I can do that. Find like a good example of the issue. So a few times on game how per minute. Okay. Yeah, I'll definitely have to see if I can do that then. Because yeah, this has been extremely frustrating trying to figure this out, because there's a lot of people that are like complaining about it for good reason. I mean, I don't blame them at all. But it's just frustrating because I can't like, I just can't figure out what's happening, like why it doesn't work. You know? Looks like it just says like node is null on every single thing. Then it just says like connection failed. I'm just reading the logs that were generated on my laptop. It says we're just making a steam, so like Big Boy Vapor, yeah. I don't know. Where is the Discord? Is that just trying to find a link to it? I don't see it anywhere. I don't see it on the website or the repository. Projects, contributors. Yeah, I don't know. Ugh, I can keep looking around and try and find it. So then in the Twitch page. Oh, I think I found it. Join Godot Steam. Yeah. And I can check through here and see if anyone's been having the same issue. Before I ask, just to double check. But yeah. Somebody did send a message here. Okay. They're just gonna try it later. What's up, Mars? Let me just read through and see if anyone is saying they have the same problem. Ugh. Question on this. The client does not close the connection properly. Multiplayer peer dot close. Do you have to do that? Yo. Yeah, I'm sure there are a lot of posts. Yeah, let's just do some searching. So let's search for... I don't know, what do we want to search for? It's kind of difficult to know what to search for because it's such a weird issue, you know? I'm gonna go download one of the logs that was sent in this forum. And let's see if we could search for a specific error. Head off for day. Tomorrow's my doctor's appointment for my ear. Yeah. Alright, sounds good, Cosmo. Thank you for coming in. And happy birthday. Yeah, have a good rest of your night. Be back a bit later. Gonna switch my phone. Yeah, do it up. No problem at all. Let's see. Which one is the newest one? This one. And prepare for sleepy time. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty late for you, right? Okay, well, this doesn't show anything. This is just nothing, basically. This one shows some more stuff. So this is really what we're looking for, I think, is like this stuff here. I'm just gonna search for that. See if we can find this anywhere. Nothing. Just nothing. Huh. Has no one ever had this issue? Huh. Do I code off stream as well for better focus? Yeah, I do a lot of coding off of stream. Most of the really complicated things that I struggle with sometimes on stream, I tend to do off stream. Or just the incredibly boring stuff that no one wants to sit and watch me do. So yeah. But yeah, I try to squeeze in as much as I can. School at home for the next few days I can stay up. Oh, okay, nice. Self-study, yeah. 3 hours of the ghost can help me. Yeah, usually it's even later than 3 a.m. I'm usually up from like 3 p.m. to 8 a.m. Actually, it's usually later than 8 a.m. Yeah, I guess I'm kind of nocturnal in that sense. So, hey, Lori, thank you for the follow. Well, that sucks that this issue is not here. Huh. Oh yeah, it's bad. Wait, I'm searching in the Big Boy Games server. Is that? Okay, no, I think it's still not. Oh, okay. I was just searching the wrong server. I'm just stupid. Oh my god. Have I ever done art before this game? Yeah, I've done a lot before. I used to do like pixel art commissions, and that was a good good practice for just like learning how to draw and stuff like that, and especially for video game assets, because that's what I was doing like 95% of the time was assets for video games. So that was a lot of just good experience with pixel art. And yeah, of course I've done pixel art for other little games and projects in the past, so I've been doing it for a long time. And yeah, programming I've been doing for a while. I do have a computer science degree now. But yeah, I've been programming for a while. Starground's got his dark magic. I used to have like, yeah. Oh, you see a similarity? Yeah, thank you for finding that. I do appreciate that. Because, I mean, I don't want to bother the guy. If somebody's already gone through all the trouble of this, then I'd rather just, you know, do that, right? So I'll read through this too. I'll keep that open. Let's read this problem really quick, though. But yeah. Playlist on my stream. It is copyright free, yeah. So all the songs on here, this is a public playlist, I think. So I think if you want the link, I can, yeah, you can find this playlist. It's mostly just Ace's music, with like a couple random ones thrown in. So like, That's my brother, the Little Gumbo music. These songs are downloaded, so these aren't on the playlist. Technically, well, you're not gonna ever get copyright claimed for these. Like Animal Crossing music, a lot of people use that in their streams. It's technically copyrighted, so I mean, you know, that's why it's not in the playlist, or that's why it's not on Spotify. But yeah, I mean, you can find these songs online and re-download them and put them into the playlist if you want, but I just can't add them in. Send me on Discord if you will. Yeah, I can absolutely do that. Plans on starting stream yourself? Oh, nice. That would be awesome. Yeah. Let me give you the link. Yeah, I'll send you a link on Discord. Oh, my eyes itchy. Ooh. There, is that for you? Yeah, I don't have any copyright issues with it anymore. If I ever do get copyright issues, I remove the song from the playlist, so. Okay, let's read the thing on Discord. So, yeah, result connect failed. Doesn't look like he ever got an answer on that one. Yeah. But this has been mentioned multiple times, like this one. Yeah, it could be like a template thing. Heavily debating whether I want to put Starground OST on Steam soon and update it as we go, or if I want to just put the OST on Steam when we release the game. Yeah. Honestly, I think it would be fine to just put it up now. A lot of games do the soundtrack updating thing, because it's really easy to push updates to that. It's basically just the same as like a game on Steam, you know? All you have to do is just push an update, and it's just updated for everybody already, you know? It's basically like a game. If it were me, I'd probably just put them up now, and we can keep updating it as time goes on. But yeah, it's up to you. So. I mean, a lot of games do that, like, you know, if you ever update your game, of course you're going to have to update the soundtrack, so it's just a normal thing. Like, Cult of the Lamb has done multiple updates to the soundtrack, you know, as it updates and stuff, so.
Every day I wake up fine, but then these thoughts start to cloud up my mind.
Nice conditions. Host Steam doesn't lock my host Steam. How dare you update an unupdatable thing? Oh, an updatable name. What song is this? This is Goblins in My Brain by Lil Gumbo. Yeah. This is my brother. He makes some funny little beats. His 349 monthly listeners. Like, I'm gonna release the OST as streaming services when the game is released, and I kind of want the Steam OST release to be at the same time as that. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I get what you mean. I mean, you could always do it like how C418 does it, where it's like you kind of do it in like albums, you know? It's like album alpha and album beta and stuff like that. I mean, that's one option. We could always just do yeah, just in volumes, you know. Yeah. So that's another option. If you like are worried about the, you know, Spotify and stuff like that, of it being different things or like having to update it. Cause yeah, it's easy to update on Steam. I guess it's harder with like stuff like that. With Spotify, cause it's like you can't just append onto an album as far as I know. I don't know. I have no idea. If it didn't do that, I would pop up in the most listened from countries. Oh, you said I'm sad Spotify counts each state differently. Oh yeah. I think I do this wrong. I can go double check my code for the Steam multiplayer setup stuff. I mean, I don't see why it would be wrong, but you never know. I haven't touched this code in a while, so, you know, I doubt it's this, but you never know. So when you do host Steam, you do start host. Multiplayer appears null. So if Steam, we're going to set the peer equals Steam multiplayer peer. Yeah, we do peer.create lobby right here. And then multiplayer peer is peer. So I don't know why it wouldn't work. We're doing it right. I mean, I wonder if it's like an await problem kind of thing. I don't know. Can I copy and paste the error? Yeah, so I mean, this is just one of the errors. I don't know if this is like the error that's causing it, but it seems like it always happens whenever people have issues connecting. So I will post it in the Twitch chat in case anybody wants to take a look-sees. So there's that. Gonna take a shower, be back in a bit. Sounds good. I have to remove the album and re-upload it if you want to change the track. Oh yeah, that's annoying. Yeah, I guess it'd just be better to do it as just different volumes probably. So take a peek on my end. Yeah, sounds good. Definitely do it up. Just gonna keep reading through Discord and stuff and see if there's anybody that's been able to fix this issue. Yeah, this is one thing that's really annoying that this person's talking about. Sometimes when the connection will just randomly fail, but it doesn't emit the failed signal. So I can't like retry. It just dies. So
and I need cream.
who's this person? Is this like a contributor? Benefactors? I don't know. I am drinking kombucha, yeah. This is blood orange kombucha. It's pretty good. I feel like I'm gonna have to do volumes anyways, so I don't know. I just put it on Steam, and then when release happens, I'll put something on streaming. Yeah, that could always work. We can give Graham a heads up if you're wanting to do that, just so he knows. Oh, man. Here's the same issue. Interesting. Hey, your phone, welcome back. Said, well, I'm assuming pure connect or connect lobby. Steam.join lobby. Pure connect lobby and join lobby. I'm pretty sure those are different. It might not be an issue with the hosting. Maybe it's just in here. Because we have connect lobby. I didn't even know there's another function. But this is with Steam, so I mean... So is there another one? Another function in here? Because this is the only one that I know about. Connect lobby and create lobby. Looks like you released an update to multiplayer pair on September 27th. Did he now? Let's go take a look at that. What is going on? Oh, we're on multiplayer pair. I didn't see that. Oh, there is one here? I never saw this one. Okay. Well, shoot, we should update. So what's the change? Oh. Remove lobby invite, lobby match, all that stuff. Fix get pure info. Fix missing arguments for lobby data update. Remove string response to send packet send failure. Removed matchmaking enums. Oh, they split into a separate repo. Okay. Did they now? Multiplayer peer, yeah. Did not realize that. I mean, none of this stuff is really applicable to me. Here, we can snooze the ads. I mean, I don't know if this is really going to fix our issue, but, you know, it wouldn't hurt to update anyways and just make sure that's not the problem. Okay. Chat states, constants changed. Well, let's download it and, you know, maybe it'll help. Who knows? It's always hard to say with these things. Let's close out of everything here then. Relaunch it. Close that. So we're gonna need Windows, Linux. Well, really, we just need Windows and then the templates. Might want to branch off locally. It looks like it changes a bunch. What does it change? I mean... I can do a quick push to GitHub just in case any issues come up so I can revert. But it's probably fine. I've never actually had an issue ever updating with this, updating the multiplayer peer. It's been pretty easy most of the time, so I know, ignore my enormous commit. Seems I won't be taking a shower quite yet as the bathroom is occupied. That's a bro moment. I feel your pain. Sometimes my sister will go in to take a shower and then she's in there for like an hour. And I just, yeah, have to wait. I'll just call this 0.10 EX first commit. I'm really bad committing my changes, I'm gonna be honest. Since or what? I know, right? Oh, the zips. Let's go move those over. Oh my god, mouse. So frustrating, man. I really, really hate issues like this. It's just like the weird little stuff that I can't fix. You know, it's so much better with like actual gameplay issues because, you know, it's like this isn't working or this is an issue I'm having, and then I can just go look at the code for that and test it, and then I'm like, oh yeah, I recreated the issue, fix it. But it's not like this at all with this stuff. This is like half the time I can't even recreate the issue. Half the time it just doesn't appear. And so it's like it's really frustrating to try and get working. It's just the worst stuff, man. But we'll keep trying. I have to fix it. I mean, I don't really have an option, you know, so it's like... Wasn't even occupied when I was going to take a shower, but as soon as I was about to go, she said she wanted to shower first. Yeah. That's always how it goes. So yeah, this is September. Okay. I mean, this is what's newest here, so I mean, I know this is what's new. I mean, maybe the new API did break some stuff in here. I don't know. I can check if anyone's talked about that in the multiplayer peer channel. Yeah. Yeah, see, this is what he's saying. So there is some stuff that's been changed. I do have an inkling of that Steam API update was probably what's been causing these issues. But I don't know for sure. Yeah, I don't know. Always hard to say. Well, okay, we're pushed everything there. Yes, keep it in. Let's minimize all this trash. Oh, it never ends. Okay. Looks like for 4.11, one of the changes is more readable error for send pending, which is your log error. Okay. Yeah, at least that'll be nice to know if, hopefully I can figure out what that actual issue is then. Training the ocean, the amount of water they use for showering, yeah. Because know if there's any alternative ways to consume caffeine. Yeah, they have like caffeine gummies and stuff. You could also just like have different drinks, energy drinks. I don't know. What are other ways to consume caffeine? You could just, you know, powder form. Also, we got an ad going on. I was a little too late. I should make it so the bot automatically says when there's an ad coming up in chat. Okay, we have to update our Godot editor. So yeah, most of this stuff will go away. Let's go open up Windows. So this has the DLL included with it, so I'm just going to use that one, you know. We'll get rid of all those. Basically, we're just going to delete all that stuff. Oh. Okay, we have to close this one too. Hold on, guys. Don't do anything. Okay, I just want editor Windows 64. We're gonna copy over the API. We're gonna have the templates. So we need Linux 64. We need Windows 64. That's an exe. I guess that's okay. Yeah, it's a template. Okay, let's just make sure here. So we have the Linux template, we have the Windows template, we have the editor. We need the Linux Steam thing. And we should be good to go. Steam app ID should just be that. Yep. Okay. Should be good. So let's unpin this old one and pin this as the new one. So yeah, luckily it's pretty easy to update this. It would be nice if there's like an automatic updater, but you know, it's not a big deal. So yeah, we should be good to go. I'm also gonna go ahead and replace then inside of our build folder with the new things in here. So I'm gonna delete them from there. Then I'm just gonna go back into Godot editor, copy those two. Linux will get the .so one. Should go there, and then Windows gets the DLL. Don't think it's a 64-bit system issue. No one has 32-bit systems anymore, so I would be incredibly surprised if someone's trying to play on 32-bit. Yeah, like instant coffee powder, like... No, not instant coffee. Just like caffeine powder. I'm pretty sure you can just get caffeine as a powder. I don't know, though. Also, ads are over. Sorry about that. Just debating whether I should make myself coffee or not. It's currently 9 p.m. Yeah, I was just about to say, it just depends on when you go to sleep, right? I go to sleep so late, it just doesn't even matter to me. I actually don't have any caffeine anymore, because I don't ever feel energized having caffeine. I just feel like nothing, or I just feel worse. So I actually just get decaf. Buy caffeine powder form and put it in the water. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think it tastes very good. I woke at 3 p.m. also. It's okay. We're built like that. Unfortunately. What is this? Godot Steam x86 64 DLL. I don't even know what that's all about. We also have like Steam multiplayer pure Windows template release. I don't know if I even want this stuff in here, or if I should have this stuff in here. You know? Maybe I should get rid of it. I'm a little worried if I do. I don't know if it's a good idea, but... I mean, I can look through and make sure I don't have to like configure it. I don't think I do. Don't know. But yeah, for export, let's set our new locations. So we're gonna use the Windows template, and then Linux will be the multiplayer template Linux. Okay. Well, I'm not going to delete this stuff, but I'll just go ahead and move all this into like a different folder, because I don't even know if we use this stuff. I don't think we do. And I wonder if it's like grabbing that or something and trying to use it, and then it's causing issues, right? So I don't want it in there anymore. Now I might have a bunch of issues with this. We will see. But that's why I backed everything up. Okay, we should be fully updated now with the new templates and stuff. I'm just going to launch it again and make sure that the game isn't broken. But yeah. Yeah, the classic sleep schedule reset. Gotta love it. I do that all the time. I have to do, yeah, the thing where you like stay up really late or something, and then it's like you have to do the, you have to loop around again. I usually just absorb the sleep loss, like I don't even worry about it anymore. Too much effort. If I'm ever, if I have to get up early or something, I don't fix my sleep schedule, I just get up early and yeah. It kind of sucks, but oh well. Well, I mean, it looks like everything's fine here. So, I think update was successful. I could go ahead and push this again just to be uber sure that everything's fine. I would love if we could actually get some real errors, right? Instead of garbage. Being spammed with the same message 5,000 times really doesn't help. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and export this again. Hopefully everything will be okay in here. What is it saying now? No export template found to the expected path. Oh, that's probably just for the debug, but we don't ever export to debug, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so we're gonna export into build. Let's do that. Export all, release. Hopefully it doesn't scream at me. I won't do the stay up method. I force myself to bed early. I just can't. I can't do that. You know, every time I try to like force myself to go to sleep, it just doesn't work for me. I don't know. I try, but it's never worked out before. Because I just like sit there and I'm just not tired. I don't know. All right, wallet is almost dry, guys. We've almost recovered from the mustard incident. It feels a little weird though. It feels stiff and kind of, how do I explain it? Grainy? I mean, I know you're not really supposed to get leather wet, but I don't think you guys understand the severity of the situation. Everything's looking pretty dry in here. Yeah, it doesn't smell like honey mustard, thank God. Yeah, the mustard incident. Yeah, I talked about this on stream at the beginning. But I got McDonald's today. And I had like a honey mustard packet in my pocket because I was like, okay, I'm gonna walk over to the table and eat my chicken nuggets with my honey mustard sauce. And then what happened was that I bumped against the wall and then the honey mustard packet exploded open in my wallet. Just all over my pocket, all in my wallet, everything's covered in honey mustard. It's just a disaster. So yeah, bad times, but it's okay. I scrubbed it off. I cleaned all the cards and stuff. So yeah. And yeah, I did have dollar bills in there, but luckily, you know, they're dry. They avoided the honey mustard splash, thank God. If they got wet, it would be a bigger problem. I know technically you can get dollars wet because they're like linen, they're not just paper. But I don't know. It probably wouldn't be a good it'd probably be bad if I wetted them. Yeah. But we're okay. I wish we had plastic dollar bills, you know, like everywhere else on Earth. But we don't. In a burger, naughty mustard. In a burger, naughty mustard. Yeah, it's no honey mustard because it's on my wallet. Ugh. Alright, looks good here. Let's export again. I'm just gonna do this as 0.10.0.1. Or, well, I guess we just do EX2. And it should just work, I hope. Let's check. Yeah, we're good. Okay, we're gonna try and upload that again and just see if we still have the same weird issue. Rich, nah, it's not that much. Well, it's too much money. I need to put it into my bank account. I never use cash, guys. I use my card for literally everything. I can't remember the last time I've used cash. Here you also don't have plastic bills? Oh, yeah. Yeah, the plastic ones are really cool. I know, like, a lot of places do have them. I know, like, all euros are plastic, I'm pretty sure. I think. But maybe not. I know, like, the UK ones, Australian bills. There's a lot of them that are plastic. So. Farm notes are the way, but it would suck to switch for you guys. Yeah. I'm sure at some point we'll eventually start phasing out paper bills for plastic bills. Yeah. I wouldn't be surprised if that switch happens eventually. So. I mean, these aren't, like, weak, you know? They are, like, paper, but it's like a strong paper. It's like a thick linen paper. It's not just paper. So, it's more of a fabric in a way than a paper, I guess I would say. But yeah. Oh yeah, Canadian bills also. Also, yeah, what's up, Dougley? How's it going? Yeah, big relate on sleep. Got drugged myself to force it. Yeah, I haven't ever done, like, sleep drugs. I haven't done a melatonin or whatever it is, but maybe it would be a good idea. I don't know. Did I change fix Steam? I don't know. Let's, upload this. I kind of want to limit my Chrome upload speed, though. Because every time that I upload it, it destroys the stream, so maybe we can do that really quick. The developers tool in the network tab, there's a drop down to throttle certain speeds. Okay. I mean, we could get a different, here, let's just watch a video really quick. I just need to see what he's doing. Yeah, he's just going to developer tools and then network and online and throttling. Okay, so let's give that a try. I want to upload this, but I also don't want the stream to explode, so, you know. Let's give it a try. Use that Canadian herb, yeah. Okay, so let's go here. We're gonna go to builds. So, click here. Let's give this a try. F12. Network. He clicked other, or did he click the options? It looks like this has changed a little bit. Where was that video? He clicked online, didn't he? I don't see an online button anymore. Oh, throttling. Here we go. Let's just add a custom throttling. So upload, profile name, stream time. And we're gonna upload that to... So that's in kilobits per second. So like 5,000 kilobits is 5 megabytes per second. That should be okay. Well, we could go to 10. Let's try that, and I hope that helps our stream. Oh, did it close out? Oh no, we're good. So stream time. Let's try it, guys. Okay. Here we go. Hopefully this works. So far, we're okay. I'm gonna watch the stream quality. Check for any dips. I think we're fine. It's gonna take longer this way for sure, but that's okay. All right, cool. I'm just gonna let that upload in the background. And hopefully we're good. Yeah, I don't see it dropping, so okay, well thank you everybody for bringing that up, because that's good. Some drugs are the worst. Please, it'll cost, keep away from it. Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah, I wasn't planning on it, so... Yes, we've done it. Ah, man. I really hope this fixes our issues. I get so tired of this multiplayer business. This is one of the big reasons why I don't use plugins for a lot of stuff, you know? Anything that I can do myself, I always do. Because it just gets to a point where it's just... having to fix other people's problems is almost impossible, you know? It's easy when it's your own code and you can look through and see exactly the part that's wrong and that's breaking. You know, it's obvious, but with this kind of stuff, it's like... you get some random error message, error connection lost, and it's like, well, what am I supposed to do now, you know? And you can search for the issues and stuff that people have had with it, but a lot of the time there isn't a solution, so it's just, you're sort of on your own. Also, sorry, I had the editor closed because, you know, we had to update, so I had to close the stream overlay. Let me open it back up. And don't worry, I'll redeem it. Yo, tree, that's a big tree of wisdom. Whoa. Thank you for the bits, Psycho. Don't waste all your money. Let's open this up again. Guys, I can't wait for Godot 5. Next alternatives make a fork itself, God. It's really hard to program though in C++. I mean, I can kind of do it, but I'm not that good at it. That would be a nightmare. I don't think I could make this game and make a Steam library multiplayer thing at the same time. It'd be too much work. Okay. Time to be redeemed. Okay, Windows is almost done uploading. It's definitely way slower, but I'd rather just have it take a little bit longer than, you know, it crashing. Well, yeah, I am also waiting for Godot 4.4, but, you know, 5 is also going to be pretty awesome. I'm also waiting for 5. I hope some big, epic new things come to 5. God, imagine like, they, like, integrate Steam multiplayer just into the engine instead of having to go through all the garbage. I would love that. That would, like, be the best thing ever. I'd be very happy if they did that. I'm replying to some people on YouTube right now while this uploads. Upload failed? What do you mean upload failed? No! God dang it. Okay. Maybe I didn't give it enough. Let's edit it. So, okay, this is in kilobits per second. I have 20 kilobits upload, don't I? So should I go to like 15 kilobits? Yeah, it's 15 megabits per second. Okay, let's refresh the page. So tragic that it Yeah, waiting for Godot. Let's try this again. Hopefully the stream doesn't die. Wow, look at all these things in here. Number of like colors you have seen. Find them out of the. Which could help a lot. Then someone else said that. What do they say? Super easy for simple lighting, hard to achieve three-dimensional lighting. If you are looking for a more 3D look in Godot. I know this person commented 9 days ago, but oh well. I would probably either making your game in 3D or look into normal maps, which can make images look 3D without any real geometry. Okay. Okay. That and Jolt for 3D, oh yeah. I've heard a lot of good things about Jolt and stuff. I haven't actually ever messed with it. I've just always used the default Godot physics stuff, but I don't know, maybe it's really good. Made a graphics and physics engine before. Man, that would be hard. I don't think I could do it. Okay, did successfully upload that one, so hopefully we're good on the Linux one. Oh, the stream is dying also, kind of. It's like kind of dying. Not a full death, but we're dropping a few frames. I guess I need to just lower it just a tiny bit more. I don't know. Oh, what am I doing after stream? I don't think I'm doing anything as far as I know. I mean, I'll be eating dinner probably around 7 or like right after stream. But after that, I should be free if you wanted to do some gaming. Could do some CS or something like that. Reverse kin lighting? What is that? Never heard of that. Breathing, that's true. I could potentially possibly be breathing after stream. My water. Where did I put my water? There it is. Okay. Well, let's just wait for this to upload, and we're gonna test that. I hope to God that it works, but we'll see. Okay. Inverse. Yeah, I don't know. I've never done any 3D stuff with a Godot yet. I'm probably going to though for the next next game. I don't know what that's gonna be yet. But you know, everyone here will be updated on that when it's time. Okay, I'm gonna push this again to the experimental branch. Hopefully this like fixes something. I don't know. We're gonna see. If it does fix it, then I'll like make this an official, you know, I'll put up an update announcement about the experimental branch. So let's close Starground. And let's give this yet another shot. We have an update. my notification. All right. Yeah. Okay. Here's hoping. Let's open up the old laptop. My laptop is actually getting pretty old. One day I'll probably need to replace it, but I don't really use it for much these days. You know, I don't go to school anymore, so battery life doesn't matter anymore because I can just leave it plugged in, you know. But one day I'll just get a really cheap one so I can test it, just have another computer ready to go. I mean, I have parts. I could probably make another computer. I actually do have another computer, my server over there. But yeah. Yeah, I hope this works. Just waiting for it to update. Okay. I know you guys can't see my laptop, but I'm flexing. Oh, because of my server. It's just a Minecraft server I built so that I can host it without having to pay the exuberant server hosting fees. Of course, it's on my home network, though, so I don't do it for anything public because I don't want people, like, you know, doing something dangerous, DDoSing me or something. Right, so. Alright, let's host a new game. Planning again the RTX 5000 series? Probably not. My graphics card still handles pretty much everything I throw at it on ultimate settings, so I'm probably gonna wait even longer. I'll probably wait until like maybe the 7000 series, honestly. Just like really extend mine out as long as I can. So right now it's just stuck on joining game. Now sometimes it just happens for some reason with the multiplayer peer. It's another annoying thing. I'm just gonna relaunch it and try again and make sure that isn't you know, a problem. Did I change the BBG Steam account name? I did not. It's just called BB Games Business, I think. So. I don't know what my talents. I can perfectly imitate Gordon Freeman for Half-Life. Oh, yeah? Oh, so. Ooh. Okay, I should be able to just join. Come on, come on. Shoot. Oh. Yeah. Well, now it's just not working at all. I don't know if this is what the problem is or anything, but yeah. I could just wait a little bit, I guess, and hope that it works. Yeah, what's happening now is it'll just get stuck on joining game forever. And it just doesn't do anything. So yeah, I don't know. I'll give it one more shot. I'm gonna restart Starground. Maybe it's just because I have it like... I don't know, it's weird or something. I'm playing around with multiplayer in Godot without Steam. It's been hard. Yeah, it's freaking hard to figure out, but once you get the hang of it, it's not too bad. I've started to understand it much better. I'm gonna watch some Arcane and then go to Dreamland. Good night, friends. Oh yeah, I've actually started Arcane last night. I know it's League of Legends, but it's not a bad show. I'll be honest. Now, League of Legends, bad game, but... Okay, let me try connecting to my friend, me. Let me invite Big Boy Games to the game. Wonder if you guys can hear the sounds. Oh, the sounds, I don't like them. Oh, it shows 2 players. Okay. Well, it's connected. I mean, we're playing, you know. That's why it's always so difficult. I just I can't ever figure things out with this. Still don't know why the other player is at half speed. Right, that's weird. I think it has to do with my like movement calculation is probably stuck at half speed, and I just never set it back for clients. But yeah. All right, but yeah, sounds good, Bob. Thanks for coming in. I appreciate it, and have a good rest of your night. Have a good rest. Get those Z's. So I see that. I don't actually see... That's kind of odd. So I don't see my own name tag. That might just be a quirk. I mean, I'm able to pick up items and stuff, and can I drop it? Yeah, I see it on the client. So, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know why you can't see your own cursor thing, or your own guy on the map. That is a little strange. I should probably also check that. It's weird because I can see it on the client. Like, I can see the server running around there, but I just can't see it here. Looks like it does indeed update the position, though, for the client. So, I mean, that's good. I don't know why I can't see my own, though. So that's weird. It looks like it's working as far as I can tell. Can I see my own here? I can. So why would it not work on multiplayer, I guess? I mean, okay, so I'm connected on multiplayer, right? I can go ahead and join again. Join ship plays in Starground. And see if that does it. Okay, so that's odd, but it's not a big issue. So whenever a client joins the game on the server's icon just disappears in the minimap. So hopefully that's just an issue with the game. I presume that it is, but yeah. Well, I don't know. It seems to be working. If anyone else wants to try it out, you're also totally welcome to. Honestly, if someone wants to load up the game on the experimental branch and join me right now, you're totally welcome to. See what happens. So, yeah. So I'll wait for that if anyone wants to do that. It's just the experimental branch, should be updated. Just go here to betas, properties. Should be right here. Yeah, feel free to join me. I'm just gonna leave the server open here. Should just be able to join off my friends list, or me as a friend. I'll go online so you can actually join. I just want to see if like other people are able to join and that works fine. I mean, of course I can do it from my laptop, and it should be the same as anyone else joining, but I just want to reassure myself. So, let's see what happens. Yeah, let me know if any issues come up. So, well, hopefully we should be okay. Tired. Just, yeah, it's stuck in join a game. It'll do that sometimes. That's the thing it's that really frustrating thing where, Godot Steam just like doesn't connect people sometimes, like it fails the connection, and there's no way to check for it because it doesn't show any error. It's weird. Game took a while to open, huh? Do you have it on a hard drive? Because that could be the reason. Oh. Someone has joined. Hello? Huh. I presume that you're moving? Oh, there you go. Guess we're just loading in, yeah. Always was so fast this time it took a while on a blank screen. That could be because of the caching. Oh shoot, what did you say? Did you just say something? Do you want to talk again? I didn't see it show up in the chat box. Odd. Well, this is why we do these multiplayer tests. Okay, so that's an issue we're gonna have to fix. I'm just gonna start writing these down so that we can get to these. So, client messages not showing on host. If I send a message, do you see it? So did you get that message in your chat box? Also, I don't know why this isn't disabling my movement. That's wrong. Or is it only when I... No, that's broken. Okay. So you saw it. So it's just from client to host. Okay. So what's the other things? Stops moving for you. Yeah, I guess it's just a host thing. I don't know why it would be broken, but weird. One thing that people were talking about was like inventory stuff. For some reason, people's inventories were getting linked. I don't know why. Try like 4 times to join, still just join a game. Yeah. I don't know why that would be. I mean, MBG was able to join. Yeah, he downloaded the latest update. Yeah, do file verification just to make sure. Because sometimes, like, it doesn't update right away unless you force it to. Yeah, I just gave you 2 wood, so... Okay, well, it seems like the inventory stuff is fine, then. Because some people before were saying that their inventories were the host's inventory. It's weird. So hopefully that's not the case anymore. And then also, host's icon is not showing. Also, if you can, Ace, it would be really helpful if you could send me... Oh, looks like you joined. Yeah. Okay. You probably just weren't on the updated experimental branch, so... But it looks like we're good now. Back, had to grab insulin. Yeah, no problem at all. Yeah, I still can't see your messages save up in, or save in the chat, which is really weird. Could be, the mod I have installed. I'll have to double check that. Because right now I have the better chat mod set up. So I can, like, do /give. Well, I better be careful not to crash the server. Yeah, so it's weird. Clients see the host icon, but the host doesn't see the host icon. So I don't know why that is. I did /give. I'll give myself some stuff. I'm gonna play some BG3. Glad this seems to have fixed it mostly. Yeah. Well, I appreciate it, Tech, for coming in and helping with that. Like sending the links and stuff. That's really very helpful. So, cheese time. Let's go. Yeah, have a good rest of your night. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You don't see your icon? That's weird. You have to do give and then the item ID, but you have to have the mod installed. I don't think it works if I have it, but the client doesn't. But I can do it. So Starground, Cobalt or 99. Who just took my Cobalt? Yeah, I don't think it works for clients right now because the You have to have the same mod installed. Who is that giving it to? Who's getting cobalt ore right now? It's not on the laptop, no. Who has a bunch of cobalt ore? Can't see anyone except me? Okay. So that problem still happens. I'm gonna give myself like a bunch of cobalt ore. Okay, it's giving it to you, Ace. So I think, I'm gonna change the chat box instead of looking at incoming chat messages. Oh, okay. So that's probably the issue. Okay, so the chat issue is probably that. I should probably set up a signal for that then. So what's the other issues I'm running into? So I think I know something. I think I've discovered something. Active player is set to you, Ace. It's set to the last person that joined the game. So that's, I think, broken. I just opened up walkers by accident. Did not mean to open that. So I'm going to write that down. That could help and fix a lot of these weird multiplayer issues. Because active player is essentially like referencing the host. So if active player is not the host, it causes really weird problems. I still don't know why you can't see other people. That seems like a weird issue. It could have to do with player position should be for synchronization on always, I believe. But maybe changing that would fix that. From what I know, the chat box gets replaced on the chat API, so it's possible it broke it. Yeah. Love the screen. What screen? Oh, what happened? Why is that there? What's going on? Okay. I don't know how that's open. I just closed the program. Oh, it's not closed. It's still open. That's why. Okay, my bad. Now we're good. We're gonna be back soon. Sounds good. And then there was just me. Okay, so hopefully most of these issues are just because of the mod. But we'll see. I do see my host thing now again, but it's not like synchronizing, so I bet it's because the active player variable's getting overwritten. Left and everyone else got disconnected? Oh. That did happen, didn't it? That's weird. Hold on. We're gonna try an experiment. Let me join on my laptop, then I'm gonna leave. We're gonna try this. Okay, so I'm on my laptop. Lost connection to server. Yeah, that's just kind of a generic message. Maybe it's... That would be very weird if that was doing that. Oh, I bet I know why. That's so weird. So when somebody quits out of the server, it makes everybody quit. That's not good. That's just kind of funny almost. Well, yeah, you're welcome to join back in. I won't do that anymore. But I think it's because of the active player stuff. So inside of the game, there's this. It's global.activeplayer. So In here, it's saying if you're the multiplayer authority, then set active player to self. This fiction is cooked. Manual kicking it implemented. Yeah, it's crazy. Well, I'll definitely take a look at that issue and fix that, because that is it's a quirky issue. Last person that joins kicks other people. I wish I had 3 computers. Technically, I do have 3 computers. I can make it work. I can use my server, yeah. Oh, but I don't have 3 Steam accounts. Yeah. I think I'm still logged into Season's account. Is it only the last one that joined? It's a good question. Let's, I'm gonna go ahead and join from my laptop again, and then you can disconnect MBG, and we can see what happens with that. So let me do that. My laptop's down my trash. So yeah, let's give that a try. See what that does. Okay, so go ahead and you leave MBG, and I want to see what happens here. It does, so it disconnects everybody. That's weird. I don't know why it does that. This is gonna be used for experiments, yeah. Yeah, I could just make another Steam account. I mean, that's basically what I did with the Big Boy Games account. I just gave myself another developer key, which is pretty easy to do. So that's probably what I'll do, just to test this kind of stuff, because this is really difficult to test otherwise. I mean, we can look at the code for where exiting is. So if we go to the pause menu, we can just kind of work up our way from the button. So we have the quit button, and that'll call this. So if you're the multiplayer authority, it's going to call exit game. So if we go to, let's see here. That could be the problem. I just thought of a potential cause for this. So in here we have exit game. This is the function that makes you leave. So it makes it not in-game anymore, reloads the scene, sets the multiplayer period to null. Basically, it just resets all the multiplayer stuff. So I think what's happening is that inside of the player, I did make this one change to this multiplayer authority stuff. So what I do here is I set multiplayer authority, but then I also I check is authority. But the thing is authority is true. And I do set it here in ready, but not on tree enter for the player, right? And I think that's our issue. That's probably the issue. Huh. And that would be why it's doing the setting it to like the active player and stuff on the server. It would be doing all that stuff. Well, shoot. We may need to upload another build. I actually do think that's the issue now. I'm gonna be honest. Dash EX3. Should at least get paid with a sub. Should lab rats job, yeah. Dude only streams on. Yeah, he just does TikTok streams now. He's been like his streams on TikTok though have been really successful, you know, so good for him. I mean, yeah. From what I've heard, they've gone extremely well. He's usually pulling in hundreds of people. Which is crazy. But then again, it is TikTok, so I don't know. All right, we're gonna upload another build. I think this might have been the whole issue. It's such an easy thing to overlook, you know, but it makes a lot of sense. It would just explain a lot of this stuff. Every time I join, I'm the only one there on TikTok. Oh. Well, he told me that. So I don't know, maybe that's not true then. I'm gonna set this just a little bit lower to like 13. Just to save a little bit of internet. Alright, let's try this again. I'm gonna go ahead and build all this again. I forgot to though. And also for player, I'm gonna set position to, okay, position is on always. So hopefully that's not the issue. Let's try this again. Export all, release. Move the old ones away. Starground builds. Come on. I had to fix my archive zip script. It's dying, it's dying. Okay. Do we have our stuff in here? Or is it still exporting? It's still exporting. Okay, we got Linux built. We have Windows built. Zip create. I am glad I made this. This is so much faster than having to type this stuff out. EX3. All right, we got our files. Let's go run it up again. I really hope this fixes the issue because, man, I'm tired of this. Okay, hopefully the stream doesn't die. I set the limit just a tiny bit. I don't know, we'll see. Wait a minute. This is just kind of funny. I don't know why there's 3 of you. Do you get more new viewers on YouTube or Twitch for streaming? I think in the past it used to be YouTube, but in recent times I would say Twitch more. Yeah. Twitch has popped off way more than YouTube has. YouTube's fine, but it's just not really a very good platform for streaming, you know? They don't really have any good tools for, like, live streaming activities and stuff like that, and also recommendations for stream stuff on YouTube is really bad. So, yeah. I'm just gonna put this into, I don't even know where this would go. I guess general.
I know what I gotta do and I know when I gotta do it, but I don't know if I wanna face
Mad
it.
lad.
My plate is filling up and I've surely had enough, but I guess I just have to
Look in general MBG.
reality where I'm told that it will all be worth it. Why should I put my trust into the system they've created when the system's completely broken? Waiting for the time when nothing's on my mind. I'm gonna have an aneurysm.
Oh.
Thinking about this and thinking about that.
Speaking of TikTok streams, most people get people joining for like 2 seconds. Oh yeah.
I don't know what to do and I haven't found an escape route. Billy's got it right, my mind's on overdrive.
People also has more people doing other stuff that can run into your stream, yeah.
Something
Yeah, it's weird, right? I don't know what what's going on. It's so broken because it says 2 people are playing Starground, and then there's 3 of you of just one person. So it's like a triple layered, confusing mess. It's really weird. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on with that. I think Steam had a little fit. Oh. Water's so good, guys. If you've never had water before, give it a try. I'm person's playing 3 times as 2 friends. I know, it's crazy. Got 70 hours of playtime on the 24 hours after release. Oh, because, yeah, you had, like, pre-launch playtime. That's pretty epic. I think my wallet's feeling pretty dry. It's changed color a little bit. That's probably a good sign. It's definitely changed texture, hasn't it? It used to be, like, shiny. Now it's, like... weird. It's like rougher. Maybe it's just because it's clean now. It's not oiled up. Good chair. I don't know. Water, it's probably a scam. Yeah, this is feeling pretty dry. Still like some areas in here that are a little moist, but they'll dry out over time. I think we can reassemble the wallet, finally. Make sure it retains its shape and stuff, you know. God. Well, I've learned my lesson. I'm never gonna put freaking honey mustard in my... I genuinely almost just said inventory. I did not mean to say that. Or think that. I'm never gonna put honey mustard into my pocket ever again. Not my inventory, guys. Okay, new branch is up. I really hope this fixes it, because I would absolutely love if it did, but we'll see. Okay, I got my business card. Oh, that's my Prime card. I don't even know why I have a Prime card, because you can't use it. It doesn't have like a number. Because it's just like an online card, so I don't even know why they send you a physical card. Gonna be honest. I got that one, put that away. Put that thing away. That card will go in there. That one. Oh, actually, let's change this. Then I have a bunch of papers for insurance, whatever. I have to go back to the States at some point and drink fake Coke again. I don't quite remember the difference between fake and real Coke. It's not that big of a difference. Real Coke to me just tastes a little more buttery, I guess. Like, not as more well-rounded. Like, it definitely tastes better, I would say. I mean, you can get real Coke really easy, or you could just get... Yeah, you could just order it online, I'm sure, if you wanted to. Yeah, I'm putting my cash, my wad of cash back in my wallet. Totally have so much money, guys, totally. It's totally not like $5 or something. Oh, I gotta segment them so I can fold. Okay. Mountain Dew, it's not good. I don't really like Mountain Dew that much, I'm gonna be honest. It's kind of just not good. My wallet smells a little odd. I don't know why. Like, why does it smell like that? Almost smells like pee, but it doesn't. I don't know. It smells weird. Am I not supposed to wet my wallet? Did that do like a cardinal sin? Is that just what skin smells like? Tourist sites like Chip's house, yeah. Yeah, my place is totally public, open to business. Totally forgot to order the Japanese snack stuff YouTube bought. Oh yeah, you should get it. It's pretty good. I enjoy it. Me and Ace both bought this, it's like a Japanese snack pack. It's pretty good. It's just a bunch of different little Japanese snacks. And I enjoy them. So we got an ad going on. You need to go BBGHQ, yeah. It's totally a place. It's totally not my bedroom. Yeah. About Pocky's ones. Oh yeah, they have those at the store all the time here where I live. Just like all the stores. They're pretty good. Welcome back, Oshik. How's it going? Alright, we are going to try this again. I'm going to host a new Steam game. Everybody is welcome to join. Make sure you're on the newest version. On the main menu, it should say -EX3. So double check on that. I am going to load it up again on my laptop, and we're going to check that quitting thing. Make sure that's still not an issue. Looks like the movement thing has stopped, which is good. So I think that's definitely part of the problem. Yeah, Tyria HQ, including the bed. The fabled sleeping grounds, yeah. Yo, everyone's playing Starground. I really hope this fixes the issues, man. Gonna have a major freak out if it doesn't. I am gonna join myself for my laptop. We have player and we have player. The capital P. I think we're looking good. Whoa. Is your join message in Brazilian Portuguese? That's kind of funny. Invisible player? Okay. Well, we'll try and fix that. This is my laptop right here. Oh. Shoot. Guess it still happens. Why does that happen? Yeah, it's still doing the thing where quitting kicks everybody, but I don't know why that would happen. Because it should only do it for the person that quits. So we're gonna have to keep figuring that out. Because exactly what happens in here is when you quit, you do on quit pressed multiplayer if you are the multiplayer authority. So it should only happen on the person that is the multiplayer authority, which should just be the player, right? Yeah, I should do last connection when you were the one that quit, yeah. I don't know, it's really weird. So, exit game. It should only happen on the person that calls it, right? I just don't know how this is happening for everybody like this. It's very weird. This is actually showing errors somehow. I don't know how. But it actually gives some info there now. What's up, Psycho? Don't you guys just love debugging? It's so fun. Okay, well, let's go to where it says to go to. So we have to go to the main class in docs. Main result. $35. Is this result connect failed? I mean, it doesn't, like, mean anything. Like, I don't know. Hey, bro, what's up? Thank you so much for the resub. I appreciate that. Let's get the confetti. Wait, it's not going yet. Here we go. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. I'm late to class. Nah, you're good. Yeah, game's going good. We're just, we're running into some weird multiplayer stuff. At least the chat stuff fixed, and, like, I don't have the... There's a lot of stuff that's been fixed, so... But occasionally we're still having some weird issues, so... I'm just trying to figure out that stuff. It's specifically just with multiplayer stuff. So yeah, I'm trying to figure that out right now. I think we're slowly getting there, though. What's going on, Oshik? You can't join the game, MBG? Let's see, we got a screenshot. Whoa. It's the lighting thing, it's not updating. That's weird. I don't know why that would happen. Yeah, this is the join game stuff that always happens with Steam Multiplayer Peer. Still don't know why that is. Also, looks like our host icon is fixed, so we can actually mark a lot of this stuff off of the list. Also, I'll turn off the confetti, but yeah, thank you so much, Abra. I appreciate it. Okay, we're good now with that. So I fixed that. I fixed that. I fixed that. Yeah, I fixed that. But it's still kicking everybody else. It's really very weird. You can't move, Oshik? You're not in the chat box, are you? Yeah, what's up, MBG? It's very weird. Press escape and stuff. Try to, like, reset the movement stuff. See the chat overlay from Oshik appear on top of the spawn platform. Yeah. I don't know why it does that sometimes. Like, it's just like sometimes player stuff doesn't get synchronized to everybody. I know it has something to do with Steam Multiplayer Peer, but it's really difficult to figure out what that is. I can actively look at the logs that are being printed out right now with this, and see if I see anything weird. Because sometimes it says that there's no multiplayer peer sign, which doesn't make any sense. And then it's still just this send pending error thing. And sometimes it does this message failed to join. User error. But at least we're getting better errors now. We can kind of actually search these things a little bit. So I'm gonna keep looking through and see if I can solve these things now. Can't see anyone but one player, but I still see people breaking stuff in chat messages. Yeah, that's really weird. Clicking on the planets doesn't work? That's very strange. Oh no, you went to the goo planet. Or Gemtopia. Yeah, you're stuck there. I have to rescue you. Let me get some iron. Yeah, that's really weird that you're like... I don't know. We'll have to figure that out. It's okay, I'm gonna come rescue you guys, don't worry. I gotta smelt up some iron. Shoot. Yeah, I kicked everybody out of the game again. Ah, why does it do that, man? Yeah, this is just an experimental build. I mean, anyone with the game has access to this. So So all you have to do if you want to play on this build, you can go to properties and betas and just swap it to the experimental branch. And you're welcome to join in on this if you want. Oh my god. It's getting worse. I don't know why it does that. I don't know if it's my fault or if it's just Steam being quirky. It's so weird. Yeah, I've seen it with games before. It's really weird. Well, I usually just see it with Starground, though. I don't know what's going on with that. Multiplayer. Yeah, I wonder if you get 10 times the playtime if you're playing it 10 times. Boy. Yeah, I gotta figure this stuff out. Yeah, if anyone wants to join in over on, through Steam, you're totally welcome to. Just join me as long as you're my friend on Steam. If you're not, just send me a friend request. So, what is going on here? Why is it not on the D drive? What's going on? It just says refer to the main class, but then I look at the main class and it just doesn't have anything there. So I don't know where I'm supposed to find that. Send pending. I mean, maybe this is in the Discord server. It's the same issue. Right, but just I can't find anything. Huh. This is what sucks, like, they post this and then it's just nobody ever responds to it. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, looks like they just did never find anything. There wasn't really any conclusion to that issue. It's pretty annoying. Player list starts visible. Yeah, I noticed that happens on clients sometimes. I don't know why. I'm sure we could figure that out. I'll mark that down also, though. The resume button doesn't work. Well, then your issues with like UI stuff probably has to do with the multiplayer peer not being set correctly on the inventories and stuff like that. So what it should do in the player is on tree enter. It should do that immediately. Set multiplayer authority. But yeah, it might not be doing that. Weird. Got some mad water intoxication. Yeah, feel free to chill for a minute. Yeah, I'll DM you when I'm done. I'll probably need to go eat dinner first, but yeah, sounds good. Now you don't see Yoshik. Oops, I'm typing periods. Yeah, I think it has something to do with the multiplayer authority stuff. Also, I'm getting mad errors right now. It's still just the same one. It's still just the same thing over and over. Oh, I should check it through my laptop. Oh. Here we go. It's really interesting that it shows errors when I'm playing on Steam, but have the editor open. That's actually kind of nice. Not gonna lie. Oh god, it's starting to lag my computer though. Here, can I do collapse errors or whatever? Merge errors. Oh, okay, whatever. So it should be doing set multiplayer authority to name. Yeah. If recursive is true. So let's set recursive to true, I guess. Hopefully that'll kind of fix that a little bit, maybe. And yeah, that could be part of the problem. You got a new screenshot? Whoa. Just shows like everything at spawn. That is weird, man. Can you break this stuff at spawn? What happens if you do? What's up, Abra? Translation's missing in the building menu? Oh, yeah. Yeah, we just need to fill out the rest of the translations on here. Back your freaking wood? Oh, yeah, here you go. Oh, I think MVG might have taken it. MVG, give your wood to Ace. Unless... Nah, that's probably okay. I know. I don't know why no one can see each other. So, okay, who can see each other right now? Can I get a show of hands? So, like, how many people can you guys see? Does anybody see everybody? Okay, so all you can see is me. Very weird. And you can't see anyone else. Okay, you see two. Ah, see, that's what's so weird about this issue. Don't know why that happens. It's gotta be something to do with, like, not connecting properly or something with the multiplayer peer, right? Because it's not like the code, I don't think. I'm not doing anything wrong. So I notice it's doing update hits, but it doesn't have authority. So where's that happening? I'll fix that later. You guys see each other now? See, that's what's so weird about this issue is, like, sometimes you guys can't see each other, and then randomly you see all of each other again. It's like, I don't know what the deal is. Ah, it's so weird. Yeah, I really don't know what's causing that issue. When kissing emotes soon. Seal now? Yeah, it's so weird. Why does that, like, happen? Yeah, I also noticed that. We need to make the player list expand. Well, I guess to a certain extent. We don't want it to get insane. So let's work on that really quick. Player list. Now, I do want it to have a scroll bar, but maybe we could make it better. How could we change that? I'll just write it down on the list. We can do that another time. Player list, expand. Are you guys able to see boats and stuff? Like, I don't know what's going on with that because Oshik, on your screenshot, the boats are at, like, spawn? Well, I see MBG on a boat. It's freaking out, but he's on the boat. Yeah, you can't break boats that other people are in, so... Able to see boats when you couldn't see other people. Man. So weird. The select interface bugs and duplicates when I'm moving? Which select interface do you mean? The like with the boat? The building menu doesn't use your inventory? Okay. Multiplayer issues. Oh, it just lags behind it? Yeah, that's to be expected. Yeah. That's just from the, like the physics lag. Yeah, so here, let's do a test. So I have 8 stone in my inventory, Oshik. Do you see that in the build menu? Do you have 8 stone? Like if you go to build a furnace, does it show 8 out of 10? You see 4? Does anybody have 4 stone in their inventory? Very weird. Volume's a bit much. I can turn it down. Yeah, sorry. You've 6. Man, I don't know. And everybody just has half animation speed for some reason. It's another thing we have to fix. Client has half animation speed. I think I might know why that is, though, so... Well, look at these boats. Ah, so many multiplayer issues. Boat battles, yeah. Eventually, when we add PvP, you could do real boat battles. It's Abra's inventory? That's so weird. Man. Why would that be the case? I don't know how people would end up with the same inventory. Unless you guys accidentally have the same multiplayer ID. Okay, if everybody presses F3, can you type in chat what your multiplayer IDs are? So we can get a, you know, figure out what's going on with that.
Slinky go up and then Slinky goes straight down to floor.
Big number, yeah.
Slinky is never ever
Just type it out real quick. Even if it's kind of wrong, that's okay.
down the stairs, bouncing all around. Slinky jumping
Well, your multiplayer ideas are normal.
making funny sounds.
That one's normal.
Start spreading into the
And then, yeah, yours MBG is 207. Well, it's not like a multiplayer ID issue. Because those are all normal and intended. Like, that's fine. None of those are an issue. Man.
Sing it with me now. Playing with the Slinky
complicated. Is the rain particle emitter skewed? It's not even raining for me. Is it raining for you right now, Oshik? It was. Okay. Maybe another issue I have to fix. Rain not perfectly syncing. This is why we do these multiplayer tests. Yeah, I mean, it's supposed to be a little bit off to this, like it's skewed a tiny bit. It's not supposed to come perfectly straight down. So. Yeah, okay. It's weird because I didn't see it. Oh, wait, I probably have hide rain off or on. Yeah, that's probably what it was. Okay. No, I think it's just because I had rain off. Hopefully, that's the issue. We'll see next time it rains. Yeah. Do you have the hide rain thing on in the settings? Okay. Well, you should get rain then. We're rain for like 2 seconds? Okay. Short rain, I guess. It shouldn't rain for 2 seconds. It should be like a minimum of 30 seconds, I think. Any commands for testing like this? Yeah. I'm thinking about it. Thinking about how nice the /give commands and stuff are for this kind of stuff, I think it would actually be a good idea to integrate that in the base game. Yeah. Just like stuff like /give and /weather, and, you know. /give. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa, whoa. How's that happening? How are you boating on land? Said romance. How did you get the boat on land? Oh boy. I gotta get some wood. That's so weird. I mean, I can't place a boat on land. Maybe did like one of these, like you and like. No. Yeah, it's definitely. It's pretty odd. I don't know how you do that. Must have been like a weird multiplayer glitch thing. That is so weird. It's not really that big of an issue. I'm just gonna leave. Oh boy, I'm just gonna leave that alone for now, but. You placed it in water and somehow you got to put the boat on land. Yeah, that's really weird. So it's like you placed it in the water and then you put it on land. It's so weird. I wonder how you managed that. I don't think I'll be able to do it as server, you know? Oh! I did it. Well, that's something. I'll have to fix that. Look at me go. That's so broken. You just have to be extremely quick with it. You have to bring it over to the water and then move your mouse ultra fast. It's hard, so I'll show you. I'll get the wood and show you. So basically you place the boat and you just flick your mouse up and then down into the water, into the land again, like this. Now it's really hard to get. No, the light blue player icon should be everybody else but you. The white one should be you. Oh, I just did it, see? So you just have to flick it up into the water and then back down into the land. Yeah. God. I think it's easier on faster frame rates because you can, like, cheese it easier. Here, I'll do another one on land. Oh, man. The only light blue is Abra? That's weird. Had to do horizontally, okay. I think it's because of the mismatch between the physics process and the regular process speed. It's hard to get. Certainly. I can't get it now. I don't. Maybe if I zoom out. It's a transparency issue? Oh. Is that what the issue is? I have the other icon set to be slightly transparent. I can't get the boat. You said you had to do it horizontally? No. Almost. Ugh, I can't do it. Maybe it's because my FPS dropped. I don't know why my FPS dropped, actually. Maybe it's because there's a lot of people on the server now. Can't get it. If someone else wants to give it a try, you're welcome to. Oh, you just did it. Okay, epic. Yeah, this is pretty sick, guys. The first car in Starground. Are the boats that slow? I would kind of be surprised if they were, but... Can I... If it's showing bugs in here, could I run the profiler? Let's try it. Oh shoot, I can. That's actually crazy. So I can see what's so slow. It's just the players. That's really the slowest part. Yeah. In the inventory slots. Okay. I'll just have to speed up players. No. Yo. This is crazy, dude. Goofster Gaming, yeah. Car ground. so cursed that the boats are on land. I should add a little Easter egg where if the boats are on land, they turn into cars. They get like little wheels. Yeah, the player script is really big. I need to break it up into more parts so I can optimize things easier. It just helps with doing that because then I can actually see which parts are slow. So I'll probably work on that. Maybe for this update, as long as things aren't too crazy. I'm gonna get the materials for another star launcher so we can go to the goopy zone, or not the goop zone. Gemtopia, Tyria. Oh yeah? What's the other way? You can show me if you want. I don't know where you are. Oh, you're over here. Yeah, how do you do it? What? How does that happen? How are you doing that? I just right click really fast? That's so weird. Man. That's how Aber did it? Okay. I am in Gemtopia. Whoa! Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. I'll just add cars into the game so you guys don't have to cry about it, you know? So you just right-click really fast? That's how you do it? Go to space with the airboat? Oh no, I'm worried. When I get here, I'm still in the boat. There's a boat on Tyria now. Who knew boats were the most broken building in the entire game? It's crazy, dude. Your mod idea will work, yeah. Oh, it's so weird. It's so broken that I can do this. It's just kind of funny. It's not even really like a big issue with the game, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, you can go to the space hub too. It's just funny that you can do it more than anything, yeah. It's crazy. Let's make a base under here, guys. Let's make an underwater base. See any of the rocks on the gem planet? Oh yeah, we haven't synced. I haven't set up the synchronization with the multiplayer stuff here yet, so you guys won't be able to see anything. Oh, I need my mini-map, man. Where is spawn? Yeah, you could go into the dungeon with a boat. Oh, man. Oh, where's spawn? I'm looking for it. Oh, there it is. Let's go to the dungeon. The doors are broken. Huh. So what's up with the doors? You guys just can't see them, or is it... do you guys want to send me a screenshot so I can kind of see what's going on? Oh, that's really weird. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can't leave the boat here. It must just be because it thinks it's underwater, yeah. So yeah, it's like showing, it's not updating the doors. Very weird. Must just be a multiplayer synchronization issue then. There's just a random pod there. Oh, you died and respawn with a boat? Let's go. I should do that. I should kill myself and then get the boat. Let's do it. Yeah, let's just run to the boss room and get crushed. That works too. The boat's fused with you now. Yeah. Man, so many multiplayer things to fix. It's okay. I can fix, I'm sure, a lot of this stuff in just a few days. What if you game anvil in water with a boat? Yeah. Can you put a thumper on? That's a good question. Can you put other buildings onto the water? Let's give it a try. I don't know if we'll be able to get it, but... I can't seem to. Doesn't seem to want to let me. Yeah, that would be crazy. Keep trying, though. Yeah, I think it only goes one way. I can't seem to get it, unless it's like, you can only do it on clients, you know? I don't know. Where's my phone? I'm destroying pressure walls. You can't see them because I don't have it set up with the multiplayer synchronizer yet, but yeah. Same with this. Yeah, I don't think it works with the water. Like, it works with starting in the water and then going on land, I think, but not the other way around, as far as I can tell. Cool camera. Oh, what happened? Oh, my camera just died. Okay. It got unplugged. Hold on. Gotta fix this now. Catastrophic. Can't see anything. We back? Oh, yeah. Camera should come back in a sec. As soon as it updates and video broadcast. There we go. Okay, we're good. Thanks for mentioning that. Sometimes that happens. Who built these walls over here? Did I build those? Oh yeah, you guys can still build them, but you just can't see where they are. These epic boats. They're just inside the wall. Oh yeah, they do get moved by conveyors. If you get out of the boat, I don't think it does though, right? Yeah. Okay, well there's definitely some quirks to work out on multiplayer, but that's okay, it's to be expected. This is just what happens with multiplayer. Multiplayer is a scary thing. But yeah. Park the land boats? So I don't know. Why is it faster? When you're in a boat, you have a speed bonus, so that's probably why it moves you faster when you're on a conveyor. It's kind of weird, but yeah. I mean, you're not really ever meant to be able to put boats on conveyors in the first place, so you know. That was faster than me, huh? Yeah, I don't know. Tool bench. I have the sacred gems. Whoa. Coin sword is pretty freaking epic. Doesn't do any damage, but well, it does some, I guess. That's pretty low. 0.5. Super slow. Oh yeah, your sword weapon? Yeah, I bet. Mess him up. It's raining. Is it raining for everybody else? Yes. Okay, I think the rain does sync fine. I think it's just because I had rain off, so I think we're okay on that. Yeah. Okay, we're good. Just making sure. Well, so it looks like the their mod does actually work. So, like, I can set mind speed to 0. I'm sorry, guys. I'm hacking. No, I'll set it back. I think normally it's 0.5. Yeah. No! Yeah, we should add in commands so we can do stuff like that, like banning people and just all that kind of stuff, right? What other commands are there? I always forget with this. Give and mind speed are the only thing. So how about I give myself... I'm gonna put it on a spot of the map we don't really want to mess with over here. /give. Starground iron ingot. Like a big number. One that we can never use. Oh no! What happened? Did I actually kick everybody out of the game? Oh, did you leave? Oh, okay. I placed an enormous iron ingot on the ground. I thought that might have broke everyone's games. Okay, I think we're okay. Don't go next to the big iron. I don't even know how the game handles numbers that big. It's kind of crazy. Oh, God. We're never going to use all this iron. Just stay away from that iron. The big iron. No! I picked up all the iron. God dang it. I know. Shouldn't have cheated. I'm sorry, guys. It's a good way to get infinite items, though. Shoot, what did I just pick up? Oh, just a little bit of iron. It's okay. It's so much iron. Oh my god. I should also add, like, other commands in. How many volts would you need? Oh my god. So that's 1, 2, 3. So 100. 100,000. 100 million. It's 99 billion items. So each vault can hold 1998 times 5. So 9,990 items each. So if it's 99 billion divided by 9990, you need 10 million volts. That's a lot of volts. No! I touched the big iron. Yeah, I'd say that's quite a few. Quite a few indeed. It's ridiculous. I've got some ideas for commands if I add them in a base game. Oh, you found a new untranslated string? Yeah, what is it? Add an item to make a weapon? Okay. Oh, is it? Oh, that one. That's the... yeah. Okay, good point on that. Yeah, we need to add that to the translation list. A weapon is untranslated. I'm gonna start coming up with command ideas for command function. We could do stuff like inventory stack multiplier, right? We could do stuff like mining speed. We can do stuff like give, kill, kick. There's a bunch of commands we could add into the game. Yeah, I hate to like, why is my game lagging so bad? Is it the item? I hate to, like, you know, take over Potato Dev's mod, but honestly, I was probably going to do it at some point anyways. Yeah, the item is just incredibly... What's going on? Is somebody dropping like 1 million item stacks or something? Oh god. It's starting to get kind of slow. Yeah, this save is cursed. Why is it so slow? I mean, that's like crazy slow. It's just item.process. So his update slot. Get closest player is kind of slow too. Interesting. It's like fine now though? I don't know what changed. Weird. My ID's supposed to appear next to my name on the player list. Yeah. So if you have F3 open, it shows your ID in the player list. F3 will just kind of show extra like info like that. No! Yeah, we gotta fix that issue. It's so weird that it kicks everybody. Oh, Sheik had to leave, so... Oh, okay, but speaking of leaving, I actually do have to end stream, so we're gonna do that. Got air confetti. Yeah, I've got to go eat dinner. I know I started super late. I do apologize for that, but we had the incident, so hope you guys understand. Well, yeah, I think next things that we need to work on, I might pause for just a tiny bit on like the Tyria stuff. Obviously, we're going to keep working on that, but clearly there's some multiplayer things that need to be addressed, and also just adding in commands and stuff like that would be really helpful. So, yeah. So yeah, that's going to be it for today. But thank you everybody for coming to the stream. I appreciate it, and for helping me test multiplayer stuff. I'm gonna keep testing this off camera and try out some specific situations. Try to fix this stuff, like the half speed and rain does sync, so I get rid of that. Stuff with like just weird multiplayer stuff, right? Especially this kicking issue. That's really annoying. That's kind of like a big problem for multiplayer. Thank you, MBG. So yeah, I guess I'll save this as multiplayer nightmare. But yeah. Yeah, thank you everybody. I appreciate it. Yeah, thanks Devin for coming. Didn't know you're here, but and goodbye. It's an old multiplayer nightmare. That's true. It is. It really is. It freaking sucks, man. I hate multiplayer. But God, it's too late now. I'm too deep. So yeah. All right. Well, feel free to buy Starground if you want. Join the Discord if you want. Do all the stuff if you want. I'm gonna be posting more in Blue Sky. So if you want to check for posts on there, feel free to follow. I don't think I have a link on Twitch yet, but I will add that. I actually do kind of like Blue Sky. I've been kind of messing around with it more, and it's way better than Twitter, man. Not having to see all the garbage and stuff all the time. You can actually like select your own feeds and stuff. It's kind of awesome. Yeah, shout out Blue Sky Command. So yeah, feel free to follow over there and, you know, be on the lookout for updates and posts. But yeah, that's gonna be it, gamers. Thank you for coming. I appreciate it. And we can go pick somebody to raid really quick. I'm gonna have to raid and run though. Quick. Blue Sky is... Shut up, me. So thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Blue Sky is basically Twitter, but not bad. Yeah, it's pretty much exactly what it is, yeah. So. Off the Rails is actually streaming. One final cheese time for the road. Let's raid Off the Rails, why not? I'll start that raid going. Yes, goodbye cheese time. Okay. Starting the raid now. Goodbye everybody, thank you. Bye-bye.